welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of the September edition Boxycharm. And here it is. This is what the box looks like. There's a few goodies in there. So the first thing I got are these 3 brushes. They look like this. I'm gonna be taking them out though so I can feel them. So the first thing I could say about these brushes is that they are super soft, especially this brush, which is a blending brush. This I can probably use for creases, for eyebrows, and this is probably for some glitter or something. Oh, pretty cute. Next we have Baked Blush and Brighten. This is by Laura Geller, New York. And it kind of looks like this. And I kind of want to try, see how pigmented this is. Okay, so it kind of looks like this. If you can, I think it's the light. The light won't really show it that much. And this was in the color Tropic Hues. Next I have a Lorac Pro Matte Lip Color, and this is in the color Energy. It looks like this. This is super pigmented. I'm not sure if this is a color that I would use for myself. It's pretty smooth. Very sticky kind of. The next thing I have is the Luscious Angel Eyes, and this is an eyeshadow primer and a base. And this is in the color Nude. Okay, so it's kind of like in a squeezy tube kind of. The consistency is, it's like a kind of like a foundation consistency. Looks like that right there. The last thing I got in my Boxycharm is an eyeshadow palette, and this is from Nightingale Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette. And it has all of these pretty colors on them. Okay, so already looking at the Nocturnal, it's not that very pigmented. I mean, it's a white, so it's not supposed to be that pigmented, but I have seen some white eyeshadows that are a bit more better. Next is Pillow Fight. Now Pillow Fight is a bit more pigmented, and that is the second one right here. Then I'm gonna try the Break Free. Free looks a little bit more like a glittery tone. So that one also, it's the third one right here on the top. So these are the first 3. The higher I go into my hand, the brighter they get and the more pigmented they are. Next, I'm going to try the second row, and this is Dark Side. Okay, and already that one is a bit more pigmented right there. Now Swatch Hide and Seek. This one, can't even actually see it on my skin tone at least. Maybe for a lighter skin tone you guys would be able to tell. I'm going to do Clutch. I really like this Clutch color. It's more of a bronzy. That is the third one up there. Sorry that my swatches are not so good, but it's almost midnight and I'm over here trying to do a quick video. Next I'm going to do Flip Out, and that is the dark brown on the second row. So this is the second row, which is Dark Side, Hide and Seek, Clutch, and Flip Out. They're pigmented, but except for this one right here, it's not that much pigmented on my skin tone. Next, I'm going to be doing third row, and this is I Spy. Now, I Spy is very pigmented. And this kind of looks like a dark brown to me, but then it's like a metallic-y. Next, I'm going to be doing Silver Spoon, and this looks like it's going to be super pigmented too. Yeah, so that one's more like a navy. And this is the third row for this palette. Those metallic ones are very pigmented. It's more of the nude colors that don't really stand out as much. Maybe it's just my skin tone, or maybe they're just not as pigmented. So next I'm going to be doing Swoop. And this one's very pigmented. I can already see it. It's a super, super dark. It looks lighter on camera, but in person it's super dark. Next I'm going to be doing After Midnight. And this is the 4th row of the palette. So this one's more like a black. Kind of looks like a dark navy on camera, like a grayish, but it's black. Then the last one is All Nighter. Now this one's actually black. Looks like that. I don't know where that line came from, but it just came in when I did the swatch. So they're pretty pigmented except for the nudes, but like I said, it might be my skin tone. Yeah, these are the things that the Boxycharm for the September edition brought. Right here. If you guys want me to do a makeup look using just September's edition of Boxycharm, comment down below and let me know what kind of look you guys want me to use. If you want me to use other products or just Boxycharm's September edition products, so comment down below on whether I should do a look with this edition. And then also comment down below what you would like to see in my giveaway that is still pending. I still have a few more subscribers that I need to get in for my giveaway. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also look down in my description box for my makeup giveaway that will be out pretty soon. Hopefully sometime in the next month or so. Thanks guys, bye.